Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all a very popular oil recipe, and this one is for neem oil. You're not going to cook with it, but it does have tons of hair and skin benefits. Read up about it in the description box. So let me show you how to make this.
Okay guys, to make this recipe, these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some fresh neem leaves, and I do have a tree, so I'm lucky to have fresh neem leaves at home. So today I'm using this coconut oil from CGA, which is the Simply Natural coconut oil. You can use this one, or you can use the other coconut oil that we're accustomed to, that brown one. Feel free to use any type of coconut oil, and make sure if you're not using coconut oil, you use an oil that can heat to a high, or it can take heat, because we are going to have to cook this and you want to be able to get an oil that can take heat. So to my blender, I'm going to go in with the coconut oil, and the amount of oil you make depends on the amount of coconut oil you put in here. So I want a pretty good bit of oil, so I'm going to go in with half of this container. Right, you need that coconut oil, enough of it in there to blend this, because we're not adding any water to this. And then go in with your leaves. You can add a little at a time, and as you're blending and it starts to go down, you can add more leaves. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and all you have to do is go ahead and blend this until it's nice and smooth. You're going to take your blended neem mixture and pour it into a pot. And try and use a heavy bottom pot, because you don't want this to start to burn. Next, on a medium-low heat, you're going to cook this, I would say, for about 15 minutes. You want this to cook down really well. Don't let the heat be too high, but you want to extract as much nutrients out of the neem leaf as you possibly can. So low and slow, and keep mixing so it doesn't stick and burn. So guys, this has been cooking away here for 15 minutes, and you can clearly see that the color has changed from a light green to a darker green. If you're not picking up the color change, trust me, it has changed. So once it turns to a very dark green, you'll know that it's ready. So what we're going to do now is we need to strain this. So you're going to go ahead and take your oil, empty it into a strainer. If you wanted to use a cheesecloth, feel free to. And if you think that there is sediments in your oil, you will need to use a cloth and squeeze that out to make sure you have a nice clean oil.
Oh Mom, where are you going?
So I'm just going to press down on what's in the strainer to help squeeze the majority of that oil out. And this strainer is actually working pretty good. Take your spatula and press down on your strainer. Now when you're doing this, you want to use a big strainer like I'm using, so that you can have enough room to work and mix and press. Now go ahead and take your oil, and yes, I can see sediments, and I'm going to put it through this other strainer, because we really don't want any sediments in the oil. Okay guys, now it's time to show you the oil. Look at that. Look at that dark, rich green color. Really beautiful. Now, as I said, this is a very potent oil. So what you have to do is go ahead and make sure this cools down properly. And then with this, you can add some rosemary oil, you can add tea tree oil, You can add whatever oil you'd like to add to this that you would usually use on your hair. So what I usually use on my hair also, my sister taught me this, is use some olive oil. So once this cools down, I'm gonna go in, add some olive oil and give it a mix. Now this, as I said, is potent. So if you wanted to take this and mix it into a bigger bottle of oil so you can dilute it and use it to the strength that you would like to use it. Now, I am not a chemist, so I can't say exactly how much of this you have to use, but I would probably just take a little bit like this, mix it in some regular oil, coconut oil again, and use it. I don't think I'll be using this like in a big amount because it's very, very potent. So I'm gonna be filling it into this glass jar. Now if you wanted, you can fill all in here like I'm doing, but if you wanted to, you can do half of a normal oil and half of this oil that we made. Because you guys can see how strong, dark green, how potent this oil is.
Oh, hello, Mommy. Look. Mom.
So guys, there you have it, neem oil. I hope you all enjoyed this quick, easy recipe. I got some tips from a friend of mine who is also on YouTube, Deepa Yankaran. So be sure to check out her YouTube channel. And comment down below and let me know if you try this or if it's something you're already using. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Boy.